3. It means I love you, charot.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why?
You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Hello mga kulas! Welcome back to my channel. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-subscribe. Anyway, today is a very interesting vlog. Holiday! Si Teacher Chris. I'm on a holiday mode. So today we are going to tour you around Nongnooch Tropical Garden, Pattaya City. I'm not really sure, maybe 30 minutes from the city. And, well, of course, you are interested how to go here if you are a tourist. You can take a bus from Ekamay Station, or, in my opinion, because I've been here many times, you can rent a car. Actually, it's cheaper. If you are coming here, like a group of 4 or 3, it's better to take a taxi. Probably you would pay 2,500 one-day tour. And it's not just Nongnooch Garden, it's all around Pattaya. Why not? I think it's cheaper and, of course, very convenient. So, today mga kakulas, let's go. This is a very beautiful place. Different collections of plants, and they have a new addition. I think it's the Dinosaur place they also have. So, this place is perfect for family. And if you have kids, this place is the right place for you. Ayan, dito mga kakulay sa Nongnooch Tropical Garden, they also have elephant show and I think some traditional cultural show too. They do have here. Tutuko kayo. So tara mga kakules. Tara, this is it. So far, medyo maraming tao kahit pandemic.
So hard to let you go. To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you go.
This place is very big. It's massive. If you ask me, is it worth it? Yes. Yeah, by the time you get done and see everything here, it's quite tiring. Because, yeah, this place is really huge. They just didn't update their music. Mga kulis, can you hear that? Anak by Freddie Aguilar. They're playing Anak here in Thailand. Sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo. Pasensya na ha. Hindi ako magaling kumanta. This is again still part of Nongnooch Tropical Garden. You can also take a bus like that to tour you around. I think that is 320. I saw the price. If you take bus tour, that's 320. No bus tour, it's 200 baht. I think pandemic price. So maybe next year, when things go back to normal, maybe it's gonna change. This is beautiful. Again mga kulas, you can see this area right here is still part of Nongnooch Tropical or Botanical Garden. Jackie! This right here, there's a bell. I don't know. I think it means something. This is the coolest part because from this little tiny statue of Buddha, you can see the whole thing. So Maybe if you notice, it's not very clear because it's a little bit raining right now. But it's still very, very stunning view of the dinosaurs, and look how they manicured this French garden, I think, if I am not mistaken. Ayan, and these little temples as decorations. So again mga kules, this is massive. Nongnooch Tropical or Botanical Garden is a very big place. So I'm gonna ask the local what does it mean when you ring the bell. Sa mga kules, I asked the local kung anong ibig sabihin nito. Sabi nila wala naman. Just to make noise daw. So right now, I am going to make some noise. So here we go. 3. It means I love you, charot. This is also a nice viewpoint here at Nongnooch Tropical Garden. Here, because from here you can see a lot of stuff that is also part of Nongnooch. This is one of the coolest part. Very nice. Nongnooch Tropical Garden, a family-friendly theme park, or what, I don't know what you call it, but you can say theme park, I guess. This is just my opinion. Guys, this is perfect for your kids. This area of Nongnooch Garden is actually, it's almost like Jurassic Park. Wow, look at the massive dinosaurs. Woo! Even me, I get really excited. Oh, this is just really, really well done. Nongnooch Garden.
Isang araw dito.
Yeah, this is really big. Do you know, a lot of Thai students, especially our students, yeah, they actually love dinosaurs.
Roar. Ankylosaurus.
This is really cool. This is really scary. Charot. Sa mga kules, this is a very, very amazing place. I am pleased and very impressed. This place is unbelievable. Very, very gorgeous. Especially for the kids. I think the kids will appreciate this kind of decorations and ambience. So many animals. Ladybugs or ladybirds over there. Look at this. This is just cool. So we are approaching the elephant. So ayan mga kules, if you get hungry, they also have here like little food stalls.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I we're safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you and I we're safe and sound. Walking around the clock.
Again mga kules,
Now all we need is
because
right here
we are
in
working
front
here and
of
we have work
us.
permits, so we don't have to pay right now and we are fully vaccinated. But for the tourists, maybe it's a different story. Right now, we didn't pay at all. So we don't know yet how much it would cost if you come here as a tourist. But anyways, I hope you did enjoy my vlog mga kules. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next vlog!